Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane, back again for another stock pick of the day, the first one of August, on to another month. It's actually my daughter's birthday, so I'm going to be taking her to dinner later this evening, probably after I get done with this video. Let's jump in. We're going to take a look at Leggett and Platte today. If you want to know more about Leggett and Platte, check them out at leggett.com. Today, Leggett & Platte products can be found nearly everywhere. Operations include 135 production facilities in 17 countries. So that's something that we like. They are a international company, so spread out across 17 different companies here. They've been around since the 1800s. They're well over 100 years old. The company is a leading U.S.-based producer of bedding components, automotive seat support and lumbar systems, specialty bedding foams, and private label finished mattresses, components for home furniture and work furniture, flooring underlayment, adjustable beds, bedding industry machinery. So bedding and automotive parts is really what they are into. And as you can see here, Leggett & Platte Incorporated, ticker LEG. This is the consumer discretionary sector. They closed out business down 0.43% today, $39.47. That is as of August 1st. Looks like they're up a little bit in the after hours. 52-week range as low as $33.19, as high as $49.94. So kind of in the middle there between the low and the high. Would like it to pull back a little closer to this 52-week low. Market cap of $5.272 billion. It has a beta of 1.3, so it is more volatile than the overall market, and you can clearly see that here today. Looks like it dipped down around 38 and some change, and then was back over 39 by the end of the day. Has a PE ratio of 13.33, not bad. It has a forward dividend of $1.76 paid out quarterly, so divide that by 4. That will tell you the payout. And it has a nice dividend yield of 4.44% currently. If it pulled back a little more, that would shoot up a little higher. Ex-dividend date, the last one was June 14th, so you wouldn't get the next dividend if it hadn't been paid out yet. If you bought now, you would have to wait a little bit. And according to Yahoo Finance, where I pulled this information, again, not affiliated, just where I like to pull some information from, they have a 1-year estimated target stock price of $43 per share, so it speaks to some upside appreciation, even though not a great deal. And according to 8 stock analysts who have taken a look at this, they call it a consensus buy. Again, we're still looking at Leggett & Platte, ticker LEG, out of the consumer discretionary sector. Closed out the day at $39.47. And according to the analysts that have taken a look at this, they have a low estimate of $36.36, which would be a 7.88% decline from where it currently sits. So again, maybe watch it to pull back closer to that $33 52-week low we saw earlier. It has an average price target of $43.86, which would be 11.12% upside from where it currently sits. And if it happened to hit their high of $57.75, that would be a 46.31% upside, and you would be able to collect that 4+% dividend while you waited for it to hit this average or high price here. So that is Leggett & Platte. Full disclosure, this is in my portfolio. I have well over 100 shares of Leggett & Platte. I have been nibbling a bit as it pulls down into the low 30s, currently around 39.47. I'm not as interested, but I still feel it's a good buy based on the dividend payout. I do like the higher dividend yield. Over 4% is a nice yield and usually beats inflation on a normal year, and we all know inflation is higher than normal this year. But Leggett & Platte, maybe one to throw on your watch list, and again, see if it pulls back closer to that $33, $34, or even sets a new 52-week low. If things happen to start getting squirrely again with the market, looks like the market's kind of turning around a little bit, maybe a summer rally here. I still think we're in a bear market. I still think we have high inflation, and we may have another leg down. So this may be one to watch, especially consumer discretionary tends to pull back more than other sectors because these are items that people can put off buying. You know, if you don't have to buy a new car right now if you can't afford it, necessarily a new bed. Those are items that people might put off during rough times. So maybe a further pullback, maybe one to watch for a further pullback. That's kind of what I'm doing, like I said, and when it gets down into those low 30s, I'll add a little bit to my portfolio there. Well, really, these are quick hitters, guys, trying to find value in the market for you and myself. As always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of Leggett & Platte. Let me know what you think about the videos. I'm always interested to read your questions, opinions, suggestions for future topics, constructive criticism. Go ahead and drop it all down below. I do personally read and respond to all the comments, so always interested to hear what you guys are saying. And gals, there are some gals who follow the channel as well, so don't want you to feel left out. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you in the next one. Hope you're having a great start to the week. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing where all risks and can lose money and should never invest any amount not comfortable losing. Always do your own research, invest based on your situations, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.